Hello guys, welcome back again in another video. Guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing very well. Yes guys, today I have come with a very interesting topic. Please, I would like you to pay a very good attention because this video is going to be a very interesting video for those that have been battling with search for years and yet don't know that that is the cause of the problem, and yet they don't know that yes, this actually is what is making them not to move forward in life. Some people has been going around with curses without knowing that yes, someone has placed a curse on them. In fact, it is highly advisable in general that as a human being, that once in a while you perform this particular recipe that I'm about to tell you, because you don't know who might have placed a curse on you. You don't know whether it's a spirit or human being, and that has been affecting your financial life. That has been affecting you in generally. You cannot move forward in life. You cannot go backward. You are just there reacting, seeking for help. Whereas what is happening to you is just a minor thing that you can just, bring that time and then do it by yourself and then remove whatever that someone has placed on you, being it a cost. Yes, a lot of people have been walking around without knowing that there is a cost flowing them. And when you see someone complaining that spiritual work are not working for them, you have taken what is it called? You have taken spiritual baths, yet what is still happening to you is still happening, it's still repeating itself. You have gone for deliverance, church deliverance, and yet you are still where you are. You have visited Harbor Home, yet you have taken batted so many spiritual favor, attraction, promotion, call it soap or item, yet you cannot boast of that money. You cannot even boast of, tangible things in your life. Not that's why I'm mocking you, but we must have to tell ourselves the truth. Cause is another thing that can hinder someone from going far in life. Unless you are wise enough, and maybe you go for counseling or maybe consultation, and they told you all that look at someone placed a curse on you, which at times it might be very difficult to detect that if God is not with that person. When you want to go and do for consultation, if you have any curse following you, they will see another thing. That is because someone has, placed that curse with angriness, with tears, with sorrow. And that is why I am here to tell you, as you are watching me, to tell you, if things are not working for you, spiritual work are not working for you, you have taken so many spiritual baths, favor beds, spiritual baths, yet you are still where you are, my dear, it is time for you to go for counseling, for consultation, to know truly if someone placed a curse on you. Or maybe if you don't have money to do that, you can just, simply perform this recipe. And that's why I am here to tell you. So please, I will advise that, because this video is going to be a little bit long, because I need to be detailed. I need to tell you how you can go about that so that you are going to be free from such thing. So if you have your pen, if you have your jotter, please go and get it. Okay, go and get it, because this video is going to be a detailed one at that matter. So all you have to do is to please listen attentively, and then if you are following the recipe or you are going to do it, then you must watch this video to the end. And if today is your first time of saying this face, today is your first time of joining this family, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. May God reward you all. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump right into the video. So to do that, you only need these ingredients. Please take your jotter. The reason why I am going to be looking at my book because I don't want to miss anything. You know, this drawing carries a lot. Still, especially when it comes to detailed video like this, I have to write it down in order for me not to forget any bit of my, recipe or my teachings. Okay, so number one ingredient that you are going to be needing, number one item in this particular recipe is what? You need a cola. Now you need 4 hair cola. Okay, number 2 item is native chalk. Let me show you what native chalk is all about. You are going to be needing organic native chalk, not the one that they have already made salt. This is organic native chalk, traditional native chalk. This one is the one that they use in praying. Okay, you need this type. Look at it. So number 3 ingredients in our list is what? Baby chicken. In my place, they call it wasisi okoko. In Anambra, they call it obolo. Then in English, they call it baby chicken, or whatever you must have called it. This small, this tiny baby chicken that's, let me say a week-old baby chicken. You need it. And you need covenant stone. This is covenant stone. I know that it might have sounded strange to you, or it sounded strange already to you. Covenant stone. This is covenant stone, guys. Now, relax. I know you will be asking, which one is covenant stone again? This woman, all your things are difficult to get. Look, things that is going to work for you, they're not really easy to get. That is why you must set yourself free. Whatever they ask you to do, that maybe you feel that a little difficult, just try and do it. If it's the one that you can do, but I am not asking you to go and do otherwise. So you need a covenant stone like this. This stone, let me tell you where you can find it. To save yourself from stress, you can find this stone in a river or in a stream. This stone, you can see it at the ground of any river. If it's a river, you find it inside the river on the ground. It's literally white. It is white, very, very glowing stone like that. It's a natural stone. So it is called, you get it inside the water, at the ground, inside the water. That small stone that used to be in the water. Yes, that is what is called covenant stone. You need like 7 pieces. Okay? I have made a video on how to use this stone also on my channel to attract wealth. So in this case, we are going to be making use of it to remove any cost being placed on you traditionally, being placed on you by human being, being placed on you by spirits that you don't even know. So you need this covenant stone, 7 pieces, okay? And again, you need a native egg, good native egg. So number 1 step that you must do is this. You are going to be creating time to do this. You can decide to do it any time of your day, but when you are doing it, don't do it in the night, because you may not have all the future, because it requires a process and you must follow it process by process, step by step. All you have to do is, when you get your cola, pray using that cola. Call on your chi, call on your ancestors, call on your spirit guide, because everyone has his or her spirit guides. You have people that when your mother gave birth to you, these people came out with you on this planet, on this earth. So call them. It's just like a prayer. Call the spirit guide, your spirit guide. Everyone has their own spirit guide. Call your ancestors, call your chi. If you are water, call on your water people. If you are earth, call on your earth people. Now, call these people using that color, that you are calling them to come and be as a witness and to come and help you in this country. That your life has, you're tired of your situation. You are tired of your life. It's just like a prayer. And after you must have done that, break the kola nuts. Do not break it into tiny pieces. Remember I said 4 head kola. You are going to be opening it. In my place, they call it iwoji. Iwoji simply means opening a kola, dividing a kola. Then we have, when you are done dividing it, after you must have prayed, then you divide the kola and then you go and throw it outside. Then you come back again. You take your unzu. You pray the same prayer. Call down your spirit guides. Call down your chi. Then call down whatever elements that you have. If it's water, call them. And after that, you go and do what? Throw this particular native chalk outside. The same spot that you threw the kola. Okay? That is okay. Then come back to your house. Take your baby chicken. That's obolo koko. That baby chicken. That's two weeks old chicken. Just baby chicken. Pray. Call down your spirit guides. Call down your chi. Remember, you are removing costs be placed on you traditionally. Be placed by you, by any man or woman. Be placed by you, by any spirit. Alright? Then use that particular baby chicken or oboro koko. After you have done praying, use it to go around your head for like 7 times. And then that is when you will have to take the same baby chicken and then let the head of that baby chicken tap this particular covenant stone. You know this covenant is going to be 7. After you must have done rounding the baby chicken on your head or the obolo koko, tap the baby chicken on your covenant, on your gathered covenant stone. Next thing you have to do is this. You say like this, that any man or woman that is angry with you, that has placed a cost on you, be it spirit or human being, that today you are settling it, that it's not going to have effects on you. That is the essence of using that obolo koko. Remember, after you must have done all these things, the baby chicken, you are not going to kill it. Go outside, allow the baby chicken to go, and then come back home, take your egg, do the same prayer, and then round it on your head 7 times. I mean the egg. After you have done rounding the egg 7 times, go to same spots and then break the egg. Use sand to cover it. And I'll tell you, you have automatically, effectively remove any course, even if it's like, let it be 30 years course, 25 years course, 39 years, 50 years, 60 years. Now, any course in place where you can even transfer to your children, and the innocent children will be suffering of what they don't even know. Because of who? Because of you. That is why you need to watch this. That is why you need to bless. You need to remove any cost that has been flowing you. If you don't know whether you have a cost or not, just go ahead and perform this recipe. It's going to help you also. But if you want to know whether you have a cost or not, then go for counseling or consultation. All right? It is very, very easy. And if you don't understand this video, maybe by watching it for the first time, you can just rewatch it over and over again just to get every details or every information that I have, taught so far concerning this particular title. or this topic. So guys, if you have any confusing question concerning this teaching, please drop it at the comment section. All right, drop it there. Believe me, I will answer you. Or if you need to get this item, but the ones that I don't have, this baby chicken, I don't have it, but you can get it in local market where they say chicken. You see baby chicken there, you see obolo okoko there, you see it. It's easy. You can even get it in local markets. All you have to do is to buy your cola, buy your native chalk, buy your egg. What item again? Then get your covenant stone. I sell covenant stone. Just get it. So guys, that is just the end of the video. All right. So before I go, I have this good news to share with you. For those that like burning incense, I have a quick one. I have loving attraction favor incense. That's all you have to do. You don't have to give your stress this buying spiritual soap and all that, or maybe favor soap. All you have to do is get my love and attraction and favor incense, burn it at night, and I'll tell you, favor will locate that family. Look at this incense. This incense is all you need to get. If you are looking for favor, this is what you need to burn in your family, in your room, and I tell you, you will count money like kilo day. Okay, we are just starting the month of February, and this incense is not that costly. At the rate of 6,000, 6,500, you'll get it. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of the video for today. If you need to order any of my products, please chat me up on WhatsApp on 090-59825779. all right, I am also on on Telegram. I am not on Instagram. So guys, see you on my next episode. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.